When the blueberries are in season, you can try different recipes, and I have already uploaded one how to do blueberry muffins. They are like cafe style muffins, and this is a nice blueberry butter cake. For this recipe I'm using 2 eggs and teaspoon of vanilla, 110 grams butter, half a cup or 100 grams blueberries, 100 grams sugar. You can always add more sugar in your recipes, and 190 grams or 7 ounce self-raising flour. If you can't find self-raising flour, add 1.5 teaspoons baking powder with a pinch of salt into it. So let's start doing it. Into a mixing bowl with the dough hook attached, add the butter. Into that add the sugar. Whisk the butter and the sugar until it's creamy and pale in color. While doing it, make sure to scrape the ends. Add a teaspoon of vanilla and mix again. Scrape down the ends and whisk. Now it's the time to add the eggs. So add the eggs one by one while mixing. Scrape the ends again. Now whisk this on high speed until it's fluffy. Once it is creamy and fluffy, add the flour on a low speed. Once the flour combines together, increase the speed. I added large egg, so I don't need much milk in it. So if you like, you can add a bit of milk or a tablespoon of yogurt. Whisk again. And it's ready. Take it out. Now it's the time to add the blueberries and mix. And I have this 5 by 5 inch cake pan, and I prepared it with butter and flour. You can line with baking paper. Put the batter in. Spread it evenly. This goes to the preheated oven, 180 Celsius in a normal oven or 160 Celsius in a fan forced oven, about 30 to 45 minutes, so until a skewer inserted comes out clean. The blueberry butter cake is ready, and I baked this about 45 minutes, and let's take it out. It's a nice beautiful tea cake that you can try when the blueberries are in season. See, it's a really soft, spongy and moist cake, and hope you will enjoy. See you next time.